that's where the 90's at.
Okay. Well, yeah, that sounds. It doesn't sound bad though, right?
No. It's gonna work out. I was just trying to get everybody on the same page because I was told like 3 times that it dead ended here.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, they don't have a clue. Yeah, I talk to Dustin and see what they want to do.
I just tried to call them.
Okay.
But it does look like 4, maybe 5 inch with it being PVC.
No, that's a 4 inch.
4 inch? Yeah, it's 4 inch PVC. Okay.
All right. Can you run a T from their, would it be a 4 to 4 to 6?
I want to see if they have one. We might have to do. So there's 2 things we can do. We can get a 6 inch T and put reducers on the PVC side.
Yeah.
Or we can get a 4 inch T and not reduce up, but basically put an adapter to 6 inch on our side.
Yeah, so does that have to, you just mag lug into the T basically with a...
On our side,
reducer?
On our side, yes. We'll probably dig this T back, and then we will stick like probably a foot or 2 out of the T, and then high max onto the PVC.
Okay, I got you. Well, like I said, man, I'm all good with whatever. I appreciate you keeping me in the loop, man.
T in, okay? Before we do that, we're gonna cut the line, and then we'll do our T and stuff right here. We'll probably dig back a little bit over here.
Yeah, because you have to use couplings.
Yeah.
To repair.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you can put a thing like that. You got to move it like this and then back.
Looks pretty good,
I try to get them to let us just use plastic.
God bless. What's he digging with, an 18-inch bucket?
The bucket of sand.
You got the 30, right?
But he wanted a smaller one.
I was going to say the 30, I'm letting you know the 30's there in case you...
No, I used it over there because I'm going to be honest.
See you guys over here backfilling it 6 inches at a time.
All right, guys. Doing a little night work. Seems to be a theme this year. Honestly, kind of a high traffic area right next within a DOT right away. Helping the old BC dirt crew out, old blue collar contractors. They need a little bit of utility help. They came our way, so we are helping them out best way that we know how. Doing a little bit of pipe work. They tried tackling it themselves. They got a whole entire RV park done. Needed some help through the vault tie-in situation, so need to normalize this in the industry, helping each other, leaning on each other. When you get to a point, it's not failure if you're asking for help, right? So he's out here learning. I just think it's cool. I've learned a lot over the years, and if I could pass that on and help in any way, why not, right? I'm still learning every day myself. So get to shut the water down at 10:30. The boys got here, roughly about 3 o'clock, got all the T prepped. Basically, there's a 90 on a water line. We're gonna cut it, high max in a T basically with 3 valves on it. I do believe it's pretty low pressure. It's a very, very tiny village area, town. It's not even really a town. Doesn't have a Sonic or McDonald's. And if you're in the South, by God, you know, it ain't even a town. So excited about it. Ishmael and Rusty and Eduardo. Shout out to these guys hanging out. We should be done here about midnight. It's gonna take us about an hour. We should be done. Wrap it up and go to the casa. Vámonos. You smell. That don't look off to me, boys. Here. Hey. We'll catch it on this side, get everything bolted in, and then we'll slowly turn the valves down. after we get this set. If he can't get it any less than that, shoo.
We got to switch saws off.
I don't know what happened. Dead? Easy, we don't want to split that bottom.
Look at that.
Oh, it's coming out of the bell. Yep. Start saying that. People ask all the time. You may have. Don't let me knock this corner.
Give me to direct him a little bit.
Yeah.
I got it here. You want to go straight up?
Yes.
Okay, here, move your arm. Let me pull straight up right here. There you go. You ready?
Poquito.
Nothing more. Another one.
Couple of pieces of steak. There you go. Good snack. Yeah.
Sorry about the corners.
Yeah. Oh, it's right there. You smell. Slide it on. Yeah. You'll be all right.
The last time? The
Yeah.
last one?
Yeah. I can't get it off now.
And it was another the same pipe.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
It'll be all right.
Right there.
Zip it.
Yep.
Bring it again.
Yeah. Right there.
You want me to come hit on it? You smell? Get you out of there. Yeah. Yeah. 100%.
2-week notice?
Poquito más, señor. Yeah. We should be done here about midnight. It's gonna take us about an hour. We should be done. Our beautiful family, but it's 2:15 in the morning. Been up since 5:15 yesterday morning. It's an absolutely long day. Killed it everywhere though. Everywhere. They killed it here. Got all this tied in, just like we thought we were gonna. Tired. Absolutely tired. Got an hour and a half drive home. But man, these guys killed it, man. They killed it. Got the tee in. cut went well. The only thing is that it caught us off guard was 45 minutes to drain this water line. It took forever to get it to drain, and it finally drained off, got the pump running, got everything dug back out. Got her did. Now I'm gonna try and stay awake on the way home, but man, this one was fun. This was a lot of fun. Appreciate you guys hanging out. It's, got a lot of things cooking behind the scenes for you guys. I'd become a member if I was you, for sure. Got some, we're cooking, let's just put it that way. And appreciate you guys.